In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a prepaid Facebook ad account to easily pay for your Facebook ads. If you're looking to manage your ad spend efficiently, a prepaid ad account might just be the perfect solution. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your account and manage payments seamlessly. Let's start by navigating to Facebook Ads Manager. Open your preferred web browser and type in Facebook Ads Manager in the search bar at the top of your screen. Once you hit enter, you should see a link for Facebook's official Ads Manager page. Click on this link to proceed. If you're not already logged in, you will be prompted to enter your Facebook credentials. This would be your email and password associated with your Facebook account. After entering your details, simply click Log In. Once logged into Facebook Ads Manager, you'll want to take a look at the Campaigns dashboard. Here, you're going to see all of your current ad campaigns. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this dashboard because it will be your main hub for managing all things advertising. Next, you need to access the All Tools section. In the Ads Manager interface, there's an option labeled All Tools. Click on this and it will take you to a wider variety of settings and options for customization. Now what's important here is selecting business settings. This is crucial as it holds the configurations for all your ad account needs. Within business settings, head over to Ad Accounts. This is the section where we'll be doing most of our setup work. In the Ad Accounts section, look for the button labeled Add and click on it. You'll see an option to create a new ad account. Go ahead and select that. At this point, you'll need to give your ad account a name. This can be whatever you like, but choose something that will be identifiable to you. Another important step is selecting a time zone that matches your location. Right after, you'll also be asked to select your preferred currency. These selections will ensure that your account settings are tailored to your specific needs, especially if you're dealing with international business transactions. Once you've filled in these details, click Next, and don't forget to agree to the terms and conditions by ticking the I agree to terms box. Now click on Create Ad Account. Next, you'll be setting up your payment method. You'll see an option to add payment info. Click on it and start by selecting your country. Then proceed with clicking Next. Here, you'll opt for a prepaid account type, as this setup will allow you to better manage your budget. With the prepaid account selected, click Next and then proceed by selecting your bank from the list provided. To finalize the setup, simply follow the prompts to complete your payment method with all necessary bank details. By now, you should have a fully set up prepaid Facebook ad account, ready to be used for smooth, efficient ad billing. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in setting up your prepaid Facebook ad account. Happy advertising!